How to update all apps at once on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually update all apps at once on your Android phone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to update all apps at once on your Android phone, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all, open up your Google Play Store. Now, it is very time consuming process to update the applications one after another. Maybe you want to check for updates of all the applications that you have installed on your phone and then you want to update those apps. It's very simple to do so. Open up your Play Store, then just tap the profile icon which you see from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, you will see this type of interface where you just need to go to the option called Manage Apps and Devices. So just tap on the option. Over here, you'll be able to find the option called Updates Available. So if you tap on this button, you'll be able to see all of the applications that has an update available that are installed on your phone. Now, you can update them one after another, or you can simply tap on the Update All button from the very top right hand side in order to update all of the applications at once on your Android device. And this is it on how you can update all apps at once on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.